I've warmed the apple just for 1 minute. Up again for 1 minute. Now we'll see what it just looks like now. Hang on, for what it looks like. Now we'll see what's happened. The apple looks like what apple looks like now. Be careful when it gets in it. Let's just spit up my. Now we'll see what it looks like. It is very hot now. It is quite hot. The apple is very hot. I've microwaved it for 1 minute though. I'll squeeze it now. It's not edible anymore now. I'll squeeze it. Well, the apple is quite good. So. The apple isn't squeezy. It's not very hard at all. I am It kind of is like a baked. It's kind of like a baked potato. It's like a baked. I get it. But I don't know. Potato because it's squeezable. And that's like tea. And it's not edible. It's not edible.